Hello, you legend. Look at you, working on your business, getting stuff done. You got this. Welcome to this video. This is the second episode of the business plan series on my channel. So if you haven't watched the first video, I suggest you watch it. Today's video is going to be on the key components of a business plan. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, as this will be like an overview of what should be included in your business plan. After this video, I will make an in-depth video on each of these components so you don't have to struggle making your business plan. I know it is a daunting process, but I hope with the guidance I'll give you, it will make it much easier and less daunting. So let's get straight into it. The first part of your business plan will be your executive summary. This section is basically the most important part of your business plan. It should act as a standalone document, because many investors only read the executive summary and then maybe visit some other parts of the business plan for clarification. You also need to ensure that this section sparks interest so that the investor wants to keep on reading. I really recommend that you write this section last, as it is like a summary of the rest of the business plan. So the executive summary will include the business overview, the problem and solution, target market, competition, company overview, financial summary, funding requirements. Next will be your opportunity section. This is a core part of your business plan, as it is about the problem you're solving, your specific solution, your target market, and how your offering fits into the competitive landscape. You should talk about what differentiates your offering against those of your competitors. This is also the section that you want to talk about your future expansion plans. This will also be the topic of next week's video, where I will go in depth about explaining it. I will only do the executive summary last, as you should be writing it last. The opportunity section will include a more detailed explanation of the problem and solution, of the target market, your competition, and your future products and services. Next will be your execution section. This is all about how you will actually make the business work. What is your action plan for the next 5 years of the company? The execution section includes your marketing and sales plan, operations, distribution, milestones and metrics. Next is the company overview. So here you will talk about the company structure. Do you want it to be a private company or a public company? Is it a partnership? Is it a limited liability company? That sort of thing. Here you also want to mention your team members. Who is part of your core team and what role will they be playing? Investors want to know who is part of the venture so that they know whether the great idea would be made into concrete action. Does the team have the ability to properly move from plans to execution? So the company overview section will include the company overview and the team. Well, that was easy. Next is the financial plan section. This is the part where most entrepreneurs get stressed and don't really know what's expected of them. But just know it's less complicated than you think. In this section, you want to show your company's financial plans for the next 5 years. That's the ideal range. But 3 years is also an adequate time period. So the financial plan section includes the sales forecast, the personnel plan, so the salaries and wages you expect to pay, the income statement, cash flow statement, balance sheet, use of funds, and exit strategy. I will show you exactly how to do this in the video for this section. So the last section is really easy. It's just all your appendices. This is not required, but it's very useful for charts and tables and some of the financial statements, some definitions, legal notes, basically any critical information that would have felt out of place or might have felt too long for another section in the business plan. This section can include so many different things, but just some examples are patents, patents pending, illustrations, legal notes, and financial statements. And that's that. This video was just to prepare you mentally to see a holistic view of what your business plan will look like. But don't worry, we'll go into depth with each of these topics. Lastly, I just want to say thank you for 100 subscribers. Yay! I'm so happy, and I will make a video thanking you all next week Tuesday. and showing you how I got to 100 subscribers. I'm very proud of myself. I got it in 3 weeks. Might not seem like a lot to a lot of people, but my goal was to reach it in 1 month, so that I got it in 3 weeks. Makes me so happy. But it's all thanks to you guys, and I really want to thank you. And I will post the next business plan episode next week, Thursday. So make sure to push that subscribe button and like button and all the jazz. But that's all from me. Bye! Hopefully, this is just to repeat. This video